Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Walk Square. Hope you're all doing very good. Okay, in today's video, let's see part 5 of hotel design in architecture. That is banquet and meeting hall, like how we can design them and how can we incorporate in our hotel. Okay, depending upon the type of hotel, you have to design the number of meeting rooms and all. Please go through the required anthropometry. Here, let me show my design. Like this is my first floor. Okay. Let's imagine the guests are getting entered through this way. And this would be the pre-function area. And then depending upon the type of function, like it would be either in the ballroom area or it could be the meeting rooms. It could be any of these things. And as you all could see, here I have placed two service lift. It will connect the kitchen during the pre-function time, like the snacks department and all, like they will use this lift and then it will be served from this point. And here I'll let me say you like how I have connected service area to the banquet zone. Let's imagine these are the employees here. Okay, service area, like you could see linen, room servicer, banquet manager, pantry, VIP, and furniture storage. Okay, here you could see this garbage collection and these two lift service lift. In my previous video in the basement design, I have mentioned you about this garbage collection and two service lifts. These two service lifts completely covers the tower. Okay, it will be running to one floor. Like here during the service time, the people servicer would access to this way and they will do the functioning here. And these two lifts are completely mentioned for the guests. Okay. And as I have told in my first video, like how we have to buffer both the zones. Okay. This is, you could see, this is some private area here. It's all room zone. And here it's all completely meeting area. I have connected these two zones, still I have buffered it to this area. Okay. Similar way, you can also design, assuming that the buffer zone is not completely buffered, which means it's still connected, but it's disconnected. I hope my today's video would have been useful to you. Let me see you all with another interesting video. Till then, it's bye from Bob Squire. See you all soon.